I was looking for the best hair transplant clinic in Delhi, Gurgaon, and one of my uncles has also got it done through here, and he had terrific results of the procedure. So I came to Eugenix to get my hair transplantation done. So this complete area was bald, and there was a patch of hair only here, and I got this procedure done, and you can see the hairline. Now it's like completely dense, and it has like covered the whole front portion of my head, and my look has completely changed. I was completely bald in the front,